This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and signing in with the creator account. This matters because permissions follow that identity. Once done, load the exact place file from My Creations. Do not open a copy. Next, check your role, owner or admin only, so you can change settings. Enable Team Create if multiple people edit, and make sure developers are assigned appropriate roles. These first steps guarantee you can see and change the settings that commonly cause a place to be restricted. Now adjust the place permissions inside game settings. Go to Permissions and change the place from private to public or to the correct group access, depending on your plan. Make sure creator access and age restrictions are appropriate. A mismatched age setting can silently restrict entry. Also verify the place is published to the intended universe. Unpublished duplicates cause a restricted error. Once done, save and republish the place so the live universe reflects your updated permission choices and avoids conflicts. Finish by publishing the updated place and immediately testing it in a new session. Use an incognito browser or a different account to confirm access. Audit plugins, group roles, and any linked assets. Unverified or removed assets can force a restriction. If problems persist, check your account for bans, strikes, or creator restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: copy the place ID and submit it to Roblox support only after you've documented the exact steps you tried. That speeds resolution and avoids repeated back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.